I mean, you've told young people that their strength in the job market would be their status as AI natives. And I'm wondering, like, just take me, for example, again, somebody who might be interested in law or medicine or academia. Where does being an AI native fit into the future of these fields?
Well, to some degree, I mean, we don't know exactly how the field will go, but part of the thing is human organizations change, kind of slowly and resistantly. And part of being young, like for example, going into a law firm, going, I know how to use AI, right? Is like, and I'm going to help like revitalize our work processes and what we do, what the targets are, how look, how you even gain and grow customers may very well be very different, in a AI process with law and all the rest. And so the um uh and so the kind of this process of these things may actually in fact be um kind of uh central to how this works. Like I don't have a simple answer, but I think the path of the answer is by engaging with it and using the fact that you have the kind of younger, more AI generation, AI native experience to help bring about the future is then helpful to your career path, to organizations, to why people might pay you, et cetera, et cetera. And that what the new career paths are being created. Now, for me, you know, today, and also if I'm younger like you, that would be exciting versus concerning. But I do understand that people have concern about the oh shit, we're creating the new path. I'd rather just learn it and do it. And it's like, yeah, it we're in a creation moment.